Today, we will solve this equation step by step. We start with the equation, 2 times open bracket x minus 3 close bracket, minus 3 times open bracket x plus 2, equals x plus 5. First, we expand the first bracket. 2 multiplied by x gives 2x, and 2 multiplied by minus 3 gives minus 6. So the equation becomes 2x minus 6 minus 3 times open bracket x, plus 2 equals x plus 5. Next, we expand the second bracket. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x, and minus 3 times 2 is minus 6. Now we have 2x minus 6 minus 3x minus 6 equals x plus 5. Now we combine like terms on the left side. Tox minus 3x becomes minus x, and minus 6 becomes minus 12. So we get minus x minus 12 equals x plus 5. Now we move variables to one side. Adding x to both sides gives minus 12 equals to x plus 5. Subtracting 5 from both sides gives minus 17 equals to x. Finally, dividing by 2 gives x equals minus 17 over 2. And that is our final answer. Today, we solve this rational equation step by step. We start with 2x plus 1, 3 minus x4, 2 equals x plus 2, 6. First, find the LCM of 3, 2, and 6. That is 6. Now multiply the entire equation by 6 to eliminate fractions. We get 2 times 2x plus 1 minus 3 times x4 equals x plus 2. Next, expand all brackets. This becomes 4x plus 2 minus 3x plus 12 equals x plus 2. Now combine like terms. We simplify 2. X plus 14 equals x plus 2. Subtract x from both sides. We get 14 equals 2. This is a contradiction, which is impossible. So, the final answer, no solution.